Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. I'm also good. So the main purpose of making this video is to share one piece of information with you guys. So you guys must be knowing that recently the government has started domestic flights. So recently I traveled from Bangalore to Kolkata, and after that I was self-isolated for 14 days. I have completed my 14-day self-isolation, so I thought I'll share my journey with you guys. I have been able to shoot a few clips from my journey. I will be sharing those in this video. But before that, I thought I'll share a few things. So if you're planning to travel amidst this pandemic, then the two things which you should have is the web check-in, which is mandatory. Web check-in is mandatory, and you should also have Arogya Setu app. In Bangalore airport, while entering the airport, they were checking my Arogya Setu status, whether it is green or not. After thermal screening and after checking my Arogya Setu status, I went to the security personnel. He was standing behind a counter which had a glass shield, so there was no contact whatsoever, and he checked through that shield. There was a magnifying glass attached to his window, and through that he saw my ID. And in that counter I was allowed to remove my mask for a while. I removed my mask and he checked my ID and matched the photo, and after that I was allowed to enter. So once I reached the counter of my airline to drop my baggage, because I have one check-in. By the way, as far as luggage is concerned, one check-in baggage and one hand baggage is allowed, and so my luggage was 10 kgs extra, so I had to pay 4,000 rupees for that. And for the payment also, it was completely contactless. I paid it through PhonePe. After paying that, I moved towards my security check-in. Security check-in was also completely contactless. There was a barcode screener, so I scanned my boarding pass, and then I moved towards the check-in counter, and there was a lady staff who was checking me, but it was completely contactless, and she was wearing a huge face shield. Also, I noticed that all the surfaces in Bangalore airport, it was being sanitized continuously. So after my security check-in, I moved towards the boarding gate. So in the boarding gate, what I saw, the airline, they were giving PPE to the person who was sitting in the middle seat. I had pre-booked the first row window seat for safety, so I was given a kit which contained a face shield, a face mask and sanitizers. But the person who was sitting in the middle, she was given completely like total PPE kit. So, but all the seats were filled, like none of the seats were empty, and my flight was also, I think, entirely it was full. So what I saw is, I felt that flight travel, it is quite safe and they are taking precautions. But when I landed in Kolkata airport, the screening was done and they asked whether I have Arogya Setu app or not, and then they allowed me to leave. So I felt that at no point of time there was any contact, there was no contact whatsoever, and I felt it was quite safe and they were taking all kind of precautions which they can take. So if you are guys planning to travel, then few things which you should keep in mind is first of all the baggage. Only you can carry one luggage in the check-in baggage and one hand baggage, and also web check-in is mandatory, and luggage tag you may or may not get it printed, because there's luggage tag printing can be done at the counters in the airport. And Arogya Setu app is also mandatory, and definitely face mask is mandatory. So I felt it is quite safe. If you're planning to travel, you can just give it a thought. But after traveling, since I have my family over here, so I thought it will be better to isolate myself for 14 days. And so now I will be sharing a few clips from my travel. So keep on checking out this video. Hope this video will be helpful to you.
Hey guys, so as you can see, we are on our way to the Bangalore airport, and you can see how we have taken all the precautions. We have also sanitized the cab before sitting in it, and also what you want to say?
And also we are continuously sanitizing our gloves and keeping avoiding touching our face with the gloves also.
And in case we need to touch our face, we are first sanitizing our hands and then we are touching it.
And also we have worn full clothes,
full sleeves,
as much as possible. And so now we are good to go,
and hopefully everything will be fine. So we'll cover up as and when we get a chance. We'll share with you guys as much as we can. So keep watching. guys, so we have completed our security check-in, and the kind of arrangements which we see here is quite good. Like all the surfaces and all the floor and everything, it is getting sanitized very often. And if you are planning to travel, you should definitely have Arogya Setu app. That is the first thing that they are checking while entering into the airport. And
also, if you have put on the masks before entering the airport as well, even if you don't have gloves at all, please wear masks.
And also in the entrance, they are thermally scanning all the passengers. They are telling us to maintain social distance, and it is contactless. There is no contact whatsoever, starting from the ID check, starting from boarding pass issue, and you can also get your baggage tag printed in the airport. So two things which you must carry is your boarding pass. Even if it is not hard copy, it's okay, but at least soft copy you should carry, and baggage tag you may or may not carry. In case you are not having baggage tag, there is provision for getting it printed over here. And apart from that, in the security check-in, what we can see is
in security checking, that says that we are using for the checking the hand luggage is getting sanitized after every day. Not much frisking of the passengers, at least for women, and there is no stamp being made on the boarding pass. So
they are not stamping our boarding pass, and also there's no. It is totally contactless. And what we can see is the chairs and all those are separated. Yeah.
Quite like to maintain the social distancing.
Yeah, and we can see most of the people, they are wearing just masks. Very few we can see people wearing PPEs as well.
Yes. Just
I don't think PPE is a necessity, but mask is definitely a necessity. And as of now, we have brought some Maggie from home. We are gonna eat that. We have also sanitizer spray with us. We are constantly spraying all our luggages, and we are spraying our hands and all. And we will be proceeding towards separate gates.
Because we are having different flights.
Yeah, different flights to the same destination.
Yes.
So that's why we thought that we will just sit here and have our snack which we have with us. Then we'll proceed towards our separate gates. This is the update which I can give as of now. I feel everything is quite safe.
At least now, like if you are willing to travel.
Yeah.
In the first month. So it's
I
quite
don't
good.
see any crowd at any place. At every point, social distancing is being maintained. So we've reached Kolkata and we have changed our masks, and I'm not wearing gloves anymore because it was really causing my hands to itch. And there's not much checking in this airport.
After departure, after arrival, you don't have much. They don't check much. They just check once, like one proper thermal screening is done, and then
just thermal screening, and they will be asked whether you are having the Arogya Setu app.
But anyways, we have finally reached our destination. So
And we are very relieved and very happy.
So hope this video helps you guys.
Yeah. And we will part from here, and we really don't know when we'll meet next.
Yes.
But hopefully that will be really soon. And yeah, so that's
travel video was somewhat helpful to you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.